You didn't go very far. You didn't go very far. Go get it. You didn't go very far again. Is that leg getting in the way? Is that leg getting in the way? Tuck it under. Tuck it under. There you go. That's hard work, huh? Good job, buddy. You crawl. You crawl. Tristan. Hey! Yay, Tristan! He learned to clap and crawl in the same day. Say yay! Yay!